Political experts and analysts have said that the Narendra Modi-led Indian government is peddling the false narrative of development and progress to justify its illegal actions in the territory. The political experts and analysts in their statements and interviews in Srinagar said the Modi regime is publishing fake reports of the so-called peace and development in its attempts to mislead the world. India's dreaded National Investigation Agency has summoned prominent Kashmiri religious cleric and rector of the famous Islamic Center Darul Uloom Rahimia, Maulana Rahmatullah Qasmi. He has been summoned in a case related to alleged funding activities of the Al Huda Education Trust in Rajouri. President of Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Barrister Sultan Mahmood Chaudhry, has said that the key to peace in South Asia was linked to the settlement of the Kashmir dispute. He was talking to Austrian researcher Marcus Goster at Jammu Kashmir House in Islamabad. Chief of the Meitei Lipon, Pramod Singh, has warned the Indian central government as well as the state government of Manipur to intervene quickly, otherwise there will be a civil war in the volatile state. In an interview with the renowned Indian journalist Karan Thapar, Pramod Singh warned both the governments, saying the cookies will not be able to defend themselves if a civil war erupts. New controversies have arisen surrounding Ganga Jamna Higher Secondary School in the Indian state of Madhya Pradesh following the emergence of a poster depicting a girl wearing hijab. The school is now facing accusations of engaging in the conversion of Hindu girls to Islam. One person has died while another is missing in a tragic accident in the Kargil district of the Ladakh region. A vehicle carrying 7 persons of a family met with an accident near Kaksar area of the district. People staged protest demonstration in the Jammu city against anti-people policies. The residents as well as the traders of the Talab Tillo area of the city staged a protest over poor quality works being done in their area under Jammu Smart City project. People from Manipur's Kuki community held a protest demonstration today outside the residence of Indian Home Minister Amit Shah in New Delhi against the ongoing violence in the northeastern state. The protesters were holding placards with the messages such as "Save Cookies' Lives."